barges make and break tows. We have this big winch right here. You can see the crank up there on the top left. Keep it nice and tight. Obviously, this one's the same. And they go vice versa. So these two would connect. This winch would connect to this pillar. And so on. Usually you only see 4 packs out here, but on the river you could see anywhere. I mean, I don't even know. In Mississippi, probably like 30 packs, I'm assuming, but I don't go out there. So there's 4 and 6 packs out here. Barges, 6 barges together, 4 barges together. As you can see, we clean the walkways. You don't really have much room to walk either. This is an older barge. It has a roll top, so we just use it for sand. So you can see those are together also. And then in here we'll have our sand. A lot of sand.
No, I'd rather that pump go to number 2.
Okay.
After all the pump out. Did it go home?
Yeah, Rick went home. So it's right in that corner.